Baik, selamat siang Bapak Ibu semua. Terima kasih bisa hadir di area podcast di Manufacturing Digital Hub yang diadakan di Manufacturing Indonesia. Jadi Expo Manufacturing Indonesia ini sudah ada lebih dari 30 tahun. Ya, seingat saya kemarin waktu membuka 32 tahun. Jadi luar biasa, Expo ini sudah sangat besar sekali, sangat berkembang lama, dan ini sangat menarik karena udah sempat keliling-keliling Pak sampai ke sana, ke B2 sudah. Wah, jadi harus ya. Jadi ini semua hall dipakai oleh Manufacturing Indonesia ya. Dan kali ini, kesempatan ini kami dari Asosiasi Pengusaha Teknologi Informasi dan Komunikasi atau Aptiknas ini mendapatkan tempat spesial ya. Di pojokan ini kita ada 15 booth. Bapak Ibu bisa melihat nanti ini adalah solusi-solusi dari anggota Aptiknas, anggota Indonesia Artificial Intelligence Society, dan juga anggota dari, silakan Pak depan, dan juga anggota dari Starvindo ya. Jadi disinilah kita akan bicara tentang berbagai solusi dan teknologi untuk industri Bapak Ibu sekalian. Nah, dalam kesempatan kita kali ini juga kami dari Aptiknas bekerja sama dengan asosiasi dari Malaysia namanya MYAIRA. Ini yang hadir dalam kesempatan kali ini adalah salah satu anggota dari MYAIRA ya. Hadir bersama kita Mr. Gary Wong dari WERMA Signaltechnik GmbH. Jadi ini pasti dari Jerman ya. Ya, from Jerman ya, from Jerman ya. Jadi ini menarik sekali karena currently also carry the German solution Pak. Ya, jadi Jerman ini kalau Bapak Ibu sempat lihat keliling, meskipun apa namanya, barangnya sekarang dibuat di Cina tapi teknologinya Jerman ya. Oke, jadi kita akan bahas satu tema menarik, yaitu ini, lampu ini. Anda sudah pakai di pabriknya lampu ini? Wow, sudah udah di use. Sudah pakai Pak di pabriknya? Nah, ini jadi lampu merah, kuning, hijau, biru, putih ini apa sih gitu ya. Nah, jadi ini yang nanti kita akan bahas bersama dengan narasumber kita Mr. Gary Wong dengan judul Solution for the Machine Interface with Signaling. I will pass to Gary 20 minutes for the presentation.
Terima kasih Pak Frankie. Oke, minta maaf bahasa Melayu tidak berapa baik, so I'll speak in English. Okay. Yeah. So thank you very much. First of all, this is a very good platform for us to talk about the future. So we are here to talk about the future. We are talking about future fitting everything we do for the future. Okay. So first of all, I want to introduce WERMA. WERMA is a German company. So we start with a short introduction video about the nanti volume. Okay.
Signals are there to grab our attention.
We look at the video for a short time. Okay, it's just a short clip.
Here at WERMA, we make the mark with our signal products, signals that drive people forward. Nowadays, we are not only best known for our tried and tested signal technology, but also for intelligent process system solutions. Our systems have to optimize processes in a sustainable way. We don't just talk about Industry 4.0, we offer solutions which make it happen. From A to Z, from the design process through to the application with the customer, we develop and produce clever solutions that simply work. When we introduced our modular signal tower Combi Sign, we created a worldwide standard. Through trust, respect and fairness, we motivate our staff to achieve the highest standards of quality in every stage of the process. Countless customers from all different industries have confidence in WERMA products today. With international subsidiaries and sales partners, we ensure a professional on-site service, from retime and then all around the world. WERMA writes history and has been doing so since 1950. In the process, we set the standards for modern signal technology and define its future. We are WERMA, Europe's leading signal.
Okay, thank you. Just now, I mentioned WERMA is a German company. It's a small family-owned business, and we specialize on signal product. Okay, the company started a long time ago, almost 75 years now, and they are the leading signal light company in Europe. Okay, they are the biggest in terms of volume and turnover, and also in terms of innovation. Okay, I think if you use signal light, you've probably seen the colorful one here, and also in the past we developed new innovation in lights. You might think lights is not a very high-tech products, but there are a lot of innovation in lights as well. Okay, we can call the lights the traffic light of the machines. It tells you if it's red, means there's a fault or a stoppage. If it's orange, normally it's like downtime, and if green, then it's working normally. And of course, you can have other colors, blue or white. The colors is determined by the user themselves. Blue could mean you want to call the supervisor or the QC. White could mean you want to contact the warehouse to replenish material. So it's up to the user to determine the color and the meaning. Okay, so the lights, as we know it, is very useful because visually you see the light, and the light response time is very fast. Okay, if you drive, you can see the traffic light, red, then is danger alarm. So it's the same thing. If you are in a factory, in a very noisy environment, the light is very important. You can see the danger before you hear it. Okay, so here we can see some of the progress of the company, the milestone. In '93, WERMA developed a modular signal tower, meaning all the color can be separated, and you can choose whatever color you want, and then you can put it together yourself. And at that time, it was a big innovation. Before that, there's no modular signal tower, but WERMA was the first company that developed it. And if you see in the market today, they are all copying us. Okay, so that is a very big innovation. In 2010, WERMA also developed a system for process optimization, meaning a production monitoring system. That is actually also very advanced. It's wireless in 2010, and we are even 1 year ahead of the Industry 4.0, which is 2011. Okay, so we develop it because we ourselves are a manufacturing company. We need a system. So we look at a lot of systems, and we found out that there's no system that can suit us. So with our own resources, we develop our own system for us to use, and then we also sell it to our customers. Okay, so going forward, 2021, we again develop a new product, a new light, which is again top of the class in the signal light industry. We call it the E-Sign in 2021. It's very, very nice. It's got 9 or 15 layer, and it is set up by computer programming. So it's very, very high tech. Okay, and then last year we upgraded our process optimization to the second generation we call V-Assist. Okay, so that's some of the background of the company. So what does WERMA do? We make signal products. We make signal lights. We make all kinds of signal lights, and including end-on system connected to signal lights. So we are expert in signal lights. You can call WERMA as one of those German hidden champions. We only make what we are good at, signal lights. Okay, and with the system, we are extending the signal light system. We are extending it to digital signaling. Okay, that's why we are here, digital connection, okay, transformation. Okay, our products has got a very wide application. If you are working in any factory environment, doesn't matter what manufacturing environment you are from, you will see machine with lights. So our lights application is very wide. So we are not limited to any particular industries. It could be packaging, it could be food, clothing, whatever, or manufacturing machines or car. We have the suitable lights suitable for them. Okay. And WERMA has been around so long. We have globally more than 30,000 customers, including some of the top brands. You might notice the BM, Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, those are automotive, those are our customers. So when they build a new factories, they always use WERMA's light, okay? Because of course they are German companies as well, but because our light, the quality is good, reliable, and the function is what they are wanted, okay? So now we come to the digital age, digital hub, okay? So if we look at the digitalization era we are now in, there are a lot of things involved, okay? And there are just so many, we cannot, one company cannot meet all the things in the digitalization process, okay? Even the biggest player, maybe Siemens or Schneider, they might have MES product, IoT product, but a lot of things they need other supplier or partners to corroborate and to partner with them to develop the system, okay? For example, Siemens do not have their own cloud, they need someone's cloud, okay? And then if they, let's say they want to measure some temperature, whatever, they need some others relay or sensor, okay? So everyone needs each other in the process of digitalization, okay? And of course, digitalization, before it happens, you have to go through the digital transformation process, okay? So, what is the digital transformation? I Googled it up, and there are key points in the digital transformation process. The first one is the digital experience. When we talk about digital experience, it happened in a very long time. Probably, I think the first digital experience that we might come across is when the world started World Wide Web. So everything goes onto the web is digital format, okay? We do not feel it so much because at that time, a lot of people don't have computer or whatever, okay? So the real digital transformation age and the real time when every one of us really feel the experience of digitalization is the beginning of the smartphone, okay? With smartphone, everything is digitalized. So everything you do is digitalized. You can think of you do a web call, a conference call, you order something online, everything is digitalized. So all your movement, where you go GPS, everything is digitalized. That's, I think, the one most significant, what we call paradigm shift in digitalization that we experience, okay? And then the second thing, to make all this happen, we have to have real-time virtualization. I think what we are doing here, we are doing a podcast, we need real-time virtualization, okay? Because without the real-time virtualization, our podcast cannot go streaming online to YouTube. And if, let's say, we want to do the YouTube streaming online right now, we need a lot of the hosting server, cloud-based system around the world, okay? And let's say if our podcast today, we open to the public on the internet to ask questions, somewhere someone in US want to ask a question, that question will be sent back through different cloud to our host here on time, real time. So everything have to work with real time, okay? And then of course IoT. IoT means everything is connected. The microphone, the computer, the light, the camera, everything is connected. So we are experiencing everything today now, okay? So everything is converted to information, to data. We know that, okay? All the sound, the video, everything is converted to digital format. And this creates a massive data that we collect. And the massive data is so useful that we can analyze it and we can make decision with all the data. Just give an example. Last month I visited Alibaba campus in Hangzhou. They have a big campus. I think the whole area was like 150 square meter, and they have 20,000 workers working in the campus in Alibaba. Okay, so we were looking around and they were showing us, maybe you have heard the Double 11 sales every year. So their system is so advanced they can track virtually 4.5 million orders being delivered on time
every second. They track every second 4.5 million parcels delivered. Okay, so that's how powerful the system is. And to be able to make it happen, all the data they use, they can analyze and tell all the seller, maybe it's Adidas or Nike, all the brands in advance, okay, in China, which area would be buying a lot of their products. So they can ship the products there in advance, okay. In the past, when we buy it online on 11, maybe it takes 1 week or a few weeks or a month before we receive the product. Now, when you place the order, okay, and if you go 11 shopping for half an hour, at the end of the half an hour when you want to check, oh, what did I order? When you click on the first order, maybe it will tell you it's already been shipped out. That fast, okay? And now you can receive your products in 3 days, not 1 month. So that is the big data that helps people to make decisions where to put their products. Okay? So it's very powerful. Of course, Alibaba probably is the world's biggest consumer data information available. Okay, so of course with all this happening, it's going to accelerate. It's going to make all business process to automation even faster. Okay? That's why we are here. Okay? And of course, now we are talking about artificial intelligence. We are talking about ChatGPT already. Before we really have enough time to process the industry 4.0. Now we are talking about artificial intelligence. Okay, the industry is moving very fast. The technology is moving very, very fast. Okay, so it means the future actually is happening while we speak, and it's not stopping there. It's here today, and it's going to evolve and go faster and faster. Okay. So what has that to do with WERMA? Okay, so we go back that in 2010 we started our first system, and it's connected to our light. So we make our light compatible or interfaceable with the system, with the technology. Okay, and in 2022, last year, we developed the second generation of our products. So the second generation of products is on cloud. So it's a very simple system. We connect the light to the machine and collect the information through the light, transmit it wirelessly to a receiver, and then connect to the system, and we put it on the cloud. So, and then with all the data, we can analyze the machine status or the production information. We can monitor it closely. So our system is not very high tech. It's not very powerful. It's not a MES system. It is a very light MES, if you want to call it, and you can retrofit to any factory situation with any machines. So if you have a factory with 5 machines or you have a factory with 500 machines, we can connect everything onto one platform, and you can see your factory situation at any time. Whether you have machines that are offline or running properly, the speed, everything, you can see the productivity online virtually. Okay, so that is what we are doing right now. That system is very easy to use. For example, if you have 50 machines, you want to connect it, we can make it happen maybe in 1 or 2 weeks. Everything set up. Because all you need to do is to change the light on the machine. And if it's not the light that you are using, it's not a WERMA light you're using, change it to WERMA lights. That's it. Okay? then you connect this, the other part, the receiver, to the network, Wi-Fi, goes on cloud, is web-based. You can use any portable device and you can check your production status anytime. Okay? So that is WeAssist. Maybe we take a rest and watch another small video about WeAssist, please.
Protect us. Clever solutions that simply work. That's what we at WERMA have stood for decades. With a modular signal tower, WERMA has created a worldwide industry standard. The simple retrofitting and modular expansion options were our first step towards clever solutions that simply work. Our products and solutions make processes safe and keep them running efficiently. With our system solutions, we have been creating transparency for many years and highlighting opportunities for sustainable optimization of your processes in production and logistics. This saves you both time and money. By networking signaling devices, we enable information not only to be used locally, but also to be stored and evaluated, and thus used to permanently increase productivity. Clever solutions that simply work. That's what WERMA has stood for decades. But today, we are starting a new chapter. With WeAssist, we are redefining the future. Because with WeAssist, process optimization becomes possible in just 1 minute. With our new WeAssist process optimization solution, you combine hardware and software to create your individual solution. Because we offer a unique possibility to adapt robust standard software and hardware to your individual requirements. In 1 minute as an out-of-the-box solution, the optimization potential becomes directly visible in the software. WeAssist is easy to integrate and modularly expandable. It enables the visualization of status information, the monitoring of performance, and the analysis of all data from production and logistics. Simplicity first. Install, configure, collect data, and immediately benefit from a customizable dashboard. Anywhere, anytime, on any device. Process optimization has never been easier. We are Europe's leading signal manufacturer and will continue to offer smart solutions that simply work. You too can benefit from WeAssist in the future. We make process optimization possible in 1 minute.
Okay, so that is our contribution to the connection to the digital transformation. The system is very simple. The dashboard is also very simple. It's plug and play. You can design your own dashboard. Here are some of the samples of the dashboard. So whatever design you want to do, you can customize it yourself. Okay, so that is WeAssist. And I would also want to discuss, share a little bit information what we are doing for the APAC, the region. I'm based in China. We are a German company. We also produce products in China. So because of the proximity and also the similarity in the market, let's say, condition, we also develop products suitable for the local market. Okay. We have a full R&D team in China. We develop our own Chinese or the APAC suitable products with good designs, good, let's say, the new innovation, whatever technology we can adapt, but also the value for money. Because as you know, maybe the German product is a little bit more expensive because they are more powerful, more functions. They use different, let's say, more high-tech materials. So the Chinese product we produce is more economy and it's more suitable for the current market we are facing here. Okay. So another thing is like we are also very flexible. We are very fast respond to the market. We can do a lot of customization for the user demand. If you have something that you require to do some alteration, we can do that. Okay, so again, the application is similar. It's very wide. We cover all industries. If you are in the manufacturing environment or logistic or whatever, we have a right product for you. So these are some of the products here. This is the nice RST56, we call it, with a very nice colorful light. It doesn't hurt the eye, very, very soothing to the eye, homogeneous light. So this is a trend going forward. You will see in the future, most of the light will change to this effect, okay? And we have also the beacon series. The beacon, this is the Asian beacon series. It's also very powerful. You can see out there at the showroom later. It's got a lot of whistle and bells. It's got a lot of functions, and the light effect is also very good. And the cost or the value for money is also very good for Indonesia. Okay, and of course the CST55C, we also have a sample there. It's also designed, or let's say we design and make that to suit the market in China and Asia Pacific. Okay, so MC55, a single beacon. This is also a very, very nice, beautiful product. It comes in two sizes, the 35 and 55 and it's actually also homogeneous, like very suitable for the eyes. Very easy to install, very cost conscious. Okay, and also we have integrated LED lights. This is customized for integrated into the machines. What we do is we are light manufacturer. We can also do this for our customers. So you can see, you know, some machines they now go for the trend of integrated. It's nicer. You can design your own image and also your own purpose. So we are doing that as well. Okay, this is the e-sign. This was launched 2 years ago. This is a very, very nice product that was developed in Germany. We, China, also helped them develop that. A lot of colors. There are like thousands of colors combination. So this is a very, very powerful products for some particular application. Okay, that comes to the end of my presentation, and as you can see, the future is just beginning. So it is up to us whether we get ready, you know, and whether we want to take the action to go forward. Okay, thank you.
Ya, jadi itu slide atau presentasinya. Apakah ada yang mau bertanya dari audiens? Ini pakai selama ini ada masalah nggak?
Ada pakai.
Ah, belum pakai? Okay, belum pakai ya? Ya.
Boleh tukar.
Jadi, tapi kalau ngeliat dari sini dari jauh kelihatan nggak ya? Warna-warna ini sudah sangat eye catching ya. I think Gary, I think one question ya, how they disintegrate with the existing system?
Okay, this one right now doesn't integrate with the existing system, but we have other lights that integrate with the existing system. In the future, this one will be also.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think because the current infrastructure mostly they already have the machine.
Yes.
How they can fit with the existing machine, yeah?
Okay. When I mentioned that our products, our system is retrofittable, meaning you can just replace the light. Normally, every machine have the right cabling, and you don't need to change anything. Just change, you know, a few screws, replace it. That's it.
Yeah. Oke, itu adalah akhir dari sesi kita bersama dengan Gary Wong. Kita berikan aplaus untuk Pak Gary.
Thank you. Terima kasih.